Hello, thank you for watching Wise Old Consumer. So these are the Imaginarium nuts and bolts. So as a father of a toddler, I guess I like him playing with toys, but I like toys which help him learn and develop. So these I think are great because they come in various colours, so you can teach him or teach her to sort out various colours. But the other thing is that the nuts and the bolts come in various shapes, and you need to match the right shape before the nut would thread in. So for example, this is square, but we have a cross, it won't fit on. So I guess you can use it to teach them about various shapes, whereas also once they find the correct shape, it develops their coordination, having to spin it on. So I think this Imaginarium nut and bolt set's quite good.